Assalamu alaikum. The topic is descriptive definition and palindrome language. This is lecture number 7, which is language definition methods. In previous lectures, we have covered in lecture 1 introduction to theory of automata, definition of automation, what is automation, how it works. We studied in lecture 1, and in lecture 2, we studied about language, alphabet, string, words, letters, alphabets, and how they interact with them. In lecture 3, we cover about string operations and power operations, what is empty string, null string, are how to find a length of a string. We studied this in lecture 3, and in lecture 4 uh, we uh, we solve a problem, a question from book, and in lecture 5 we studied about two methods. These are clean star and clean plus, and difference between them. In lecture 6 we studied about formal language, informal language, semantic language, and syntactic language, and difference between them. Today's lecture will cover about the the methods, different methods about defining a language. The first one is descriptive definition, formal definition, recursive definition, and automata definition. In this lecture, we will only talk about descriptive definition. What is a descriptive definition? One of the language defining methods where we simply describe the condition imposed on strings or words of the language. Simple and initiative method describe conditions or rules, easy to understand, commonly used in automata theory. So what is descriptive definition? हम किसी भी लैंग्वेज को उसके अल्फ़ाबेट से डिनोट करके और उसे ब्रैकेट में हम सेम टू सेम रूल लिख देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हम देखते हैं कि any finite string of letters that does not start with letter 0. This is the rule of defining language. When we talk about descriptive definition, we will write L1 is equal to, and we will write the rule same as it is in the brackets, so it will become descriptive definition. Also example 2, L1 is equal to set of all strings of letters that start with A and ends with A. This is a rule defining a language. As we know that language is what is language? A set of strings defined by rules. So this is language. These are rules, and when we write it in brackets and give it a name L1, L2, LD, L3, L4, so this will become descriptive definition. Now we will understand what is palindrome. A string that reads the same forwards and backwards. When we read a palindrome from first and last, it will give the same meaning. Uh, for example, A. When we read it from start, it will pronounce A. When we read it from last, it will also pronounce A. As it is a single letter, when we talk about there are three letters ABA. When we read it from first, it is come ABA. When we read it from last, it also come ABA. So this is palindrome. Also this 1 2 3 3 2 1. When we read it from start 1 2 3 3 2 1. When we read it last 1 2 3 3 2 1. So this is same. This is called palindrome. Also there are more examples you can see. Palindrome language defining a language consisting of all strings where reverse x is equal to x. Palindrome x is equal to palindrome is actual equal to the language like reverse x is equal to x. Mathematical notation, palindrome is equal to null. Null is also a palindrome. When we read it from start, it is null. When we read it from last, it is also null. So null is also a palindrome. So palindrome command all strings x such that reverse x. They all strings that that will made from this combination and the null are also come in palindrome language, such as single letter A, single letter B, double letter A, B, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Includes empty strings. Yes, we include an empty string. Strings read same forwards and backwards as this is ABA, ABA. Defined using descriptive definition. Okay. So we today we study about descriptive definition and palindrome language in descriptive definition. We study that we write same as it is rules in the brackets and gave it a name like this. This is rule and this is our language name 11. In palindrome, reverse x is equal to x. Reverse of a string is equal to actual string. Reverse of x is equal to x actual string. Reverse of a string is equal to actual string. A B A A B B A B A A C A. No. So this is our topic. Allah Hafiz.